Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. So for today's video, I'm pretty much going to be doing like a 10-minute makeup routine or my everyday makeup routine. I say both of those because it's kind of really quick and easy for me to do before I'm going to school or I'm out the door, about to run some errands. This is the makeup look that I usually tend to lean towards. Obviously the lashes are a little extra and a little much, but if I have extra time that day, say like 15 minutes, I will throw on some lashes. But besides that, it's just pretty much mascara and this whole entire face. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep this intro short, and without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So going straight into the face, we're going to prime, and for today's primer, I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, and this is the collab with Nicole Concilio. Let me tell you guys, this smells so good. This is the So Chill Coconut, and it smells like summer. So we're gonna go ahead and spray this on our face so we can prime. So for my face, I'm not going to be using foundation. On days where I'm kind of in a rush or I need to get somewhere, I just like to just take one product and just put it all over my face. So I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Honestly, like, this concealer is super full coverage. It could be a foundation. I wish they used this formula for the foundation. So I have two shades here. One is light medium honey and the other one is light medium. I like to use light medium all over my face and then light medium honey under my eyes to brighten it. So that is what we're going to be doing. Alright, so now to set my entire face, I'm going in with my Air Sponge powder, and I like to set my face using my beauty sponge, and then after I go in with a powder brush and just blend it all out, because I feel like the beauty sponge just like really gets in there. So I'm taking my Morphe sponge, going into the powder, and just gonna pretty much powder my entire face. And I really like to go like in the mouth area and around my nose because that's where I get really oily throughout the day. And now I'm just going in with my e.l.f. complexion brush and just making sure I got everything set. Alright, so now I'm going to go with my bronzers. I like to use two bronzers. I don't know, I'm kind of weird. But I like to go with my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula as well as my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I first like to go in with the Butter Bronzer and taking my Morphe M104 brush. And then after that's all done, everything's pretty much like kind of contoured. Then I like to go in with Give Me Sun and taking my Morphe M527 just to bronze all over. So first I'm going to go in with the Butter Bronzer. Okay, so now that my bronzer is pretty much done, I love how bronzer looks on my face. Just ties everything together. It's my favorite. Now moving on to blush, I'm going in with my MAC Melba blush and I'm taking my Luxie M524T brush and I'm just going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks. Now for the highlight, I'm going to be taking my MariiiBajariii highlight, and then on top of that, I'm going to apply some Fuego from the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie collection. And to do that, I'm using my Morphe M310 fan brush. Now for the Fuego highlight, I like to go with my Morphe M510 and just focus that like right in the front of the cheekbones. And then apply it on my nose. Now let me go ahead and spray my face once before we finish the eyes because I just want it to soak in because there's too much powder going on right now. Okay, then I also like to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to go in with the MariiiBajariii highlight and take this Coastal Scents brush just to highlight the brow bone. And also on my Cupid's bow. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. I usually wouldn't apply lashes on like a 10-minute makeup look type of day because obviously it kind of takes me a little while to put the lashes on. So this is more of like a 15-minute makeup look day. But the rest is part of the 10-minute makeup look, so I'm just feeling a little extra, a little daring today. So I'm going to go ahead and put some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I went ahead and applied my lashes, if you guys are wondering, these are the Queen Bee lashes by Coco Lashes. I get a lot of questions when I wear these Honestly, these are like my favorite lashes at the moment. Like I said in my past videos, I kind of left them for a little bit and then I rediscovered them and I was like, why did I leave them? So I really recommend you guys try these lashes out. I honestly feel like they would complement any type of eye shape because they're very fluttery and they're super flirty and cute and I love them. Alright, so now that they are on, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my inner corner. To do that, I'm going to go back in with the MariiiBajariii highlight and take this little pencil brush and just apply that to the inner corners. Alright, so now that my inner corners are highlighted, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara, and I'm going to be using the I Love Extreme Mascara by Essence. And just apply some of that on my lower lash line. Alright, so last but not least, now time for the lips. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Dark Brown Lip Liner, and it's funny because this lip liner isn't really dark brown, but you know, that's what it's called. And then for the lips, I'm taking my MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. This is a little baby tiny one that I got from Ulta. It's super cute. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips and then apply this right on top. And then go in with Velvet Teddy. Now to set the entire face, I'm going to go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and set my face. Drown yourself in some setting spray. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to share with you guys what I do for like my everyday makeup routine or like my 10-minute makeup. If I'm rushing out the door, going to run some errands, going to school, this is the makeup look that I usually go towards. Obviously the lashes are a little more, so I said that's more of like a 15-minute makeup when I'm feeling more festive that day. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do on an everyday basis. I don't really like to go ham on the eyes, just pretty minimal and subtle, but for the face, I love doing the face. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you would like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angels channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. Also, when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the little bell button down below so you get notified every single time that I post. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!